Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching my daily software review from my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to come back with my another review. I'm going to review a new product called Outreachr. Outreachr gives any business or entrepreneur the power to acquire more leads and make more sales by making your content more interactive with quizzes, polls, surveys, stories, galleries, and other personality tasks in a matter of minutes. Okay, before watching my Outreachr video review today, please click the button below to subscribe my channel to watch more online reviews from me, as well as get more online marketing tips from me. And don't forget to click the link inside my video description down below to check all the details about my bonuses right here. I'm going to show you the quick overview about my bonuses. All right, all you need to do is go to the end at the end of my review. Okay, my first VIP bonus is free reseller license to Victory's best-selling author stores who got $297. Okay, and see the value of this reseller license they are offering you for free today. This is guest author store sale page, and here is my author store review article for you. Okay, and you're gonna go to my website and check the author store review by yourselves. Okay, the next one you can get today is VIP bonus number 2, free reseller license to Victory's best-selling viral engager, worth $449, and you can also check the viral engager sales page right here. Here is my viral engager review article for you. Okay. Yeah, this is my viral engager review article for you. Okay, the next one you got is subscribe. This is a new app instantly creates a fully unique, perfectly optimized content and ranks it #1 with authority links fast. Okay, and here are some of the premium features from the subscribe. And the next one you can get today is one social surveys license for personal use. Social survey is our brand new cloud-based survey lead generation, lead capture, and customer feedback app that completely blows every other survey app out of the water. Okay, the next bonus from my packet today is one social mobile videos license for personal use. This is a next generation video app that runs on Facebook, web, and mobile from one link using our smart URL technology. Okay, and the next bonus is one one email list studio license for personal use. Email list studio is a powerhouse of email engagement system. Normally you would pay monthly for so many elements assets, but today you can get everything you see here as a bonus. Okay, here is some of the apps inside the email list studio. Clickable topic call to actions, self-destructing sections, call to action buttons, timers to your emails, YouTube videos to your emails, social badges, and so many more premium apps inside this package. Okay, the next one you can get today is 20 premium WordPress plugin, which look like this. Okay, and another one is mail. It's another premium WordPress plugin that allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, and here is my mail is case study for you. The next one, you can get a combo of WP plugins and softwares from the Outreachr vendor. The first one is WP Flipbook Robot, Auto PDF Embed WordPress PDF Viewer, WordPress Blog to PDF Generator, HyperSocial Pinterest Pro, keywords research Ninja, HyperSocial, instant content creator with curator, flyer push, and Sync Social. Okay, the next one you can get today is 800 royalty-free graphics and 200 customizable logos and video script. WP Video Focus, premium stock video collection, image blaster, a web video player, web application, content link and content link demo video for you, WP image editor. Okay, and all you need to do is so simple, just click a link inside my video description down below to check all the details about my bonuses. Okay, And on my screen, this is the main interface you see when you log into Software Outreachr today. And I'm going to make the walkthrough video for you to every corners of this software to show you everything about this software so you can fully understand about this software, okay? And on my screen, you can see here some main modules from this software, including story, survey, quiz, score, personality, gallery, video pop-ups, and templates DIY. In front-end pictures, you got story, survey, quiz, score, personality, and gallery. In upsell, you got video pop-ups and templates DIY. From my front-end review, from my view review today, I'm going to show you just front-end. And the story, survey, quiz are very similar, so I just show you one of them. For score, personality, gallery, one of my parts from my video reviews today. Okay, so first one I'm going to show you to create a quiz with the story. Okay, on my screen you can see here are some of the existing campaigns I set up from my video article review from my video reviews today. And using this tool is so simple. All you need to do is click the button create new campaign, and all of the modules from this software includes 4 objectives, including social sharing, call to actions, opt-in, and review. That means you have 4 objectives that available inside your quiz. If you want to incentivize your audiences to share your quizzes, share your campaign, you can select a social sharing. If you want to incentivize your audiences, click the button to your website, to your affiliate link, to your CPA link. You can set up your campaign under objective call to action. And similarly, if you want to collect lists from your audiences, you can also set up your campaign under opt-in. And if you want to review your service, your product, or whatever you want, you can also set up your campaign under review. Okay, I'm going to test my social sharing first. Okay, for example, social sharing test 1, and I'm going to hit next button. Okay, and you get directed to a new interface that allows you to customize your welcome screen and your question screen and end screen, which look like this. Okay, the first one I'm gonna customize welcome screen. And all you need to do right now is customize your title, customize your description, customize your background, button label, customize your edit picture. Okay, for example, I'm gonna enter my title, type demo title for welcome screen. Okay, and enter description, welcome description. Okay, for button label you can change also button demo button. Okay, and for media, you're gonna move on the media tab, and right here you're gonna be able to change the background. You're gonna be able to change the picture, main picture from the welcome screen. Okay, all you need to do right now, you have to enter your keyword right here. For example, I'm gonna put my keyword beach. I'm gonna hit search button, and then you're going to be able to see a lot of relevant beautiful images from my search. Okay, and let's pick one for my campaign, for example this one, and you're going to be able to see it's just available on my campaign. And okay, the next one I'm gonna change my background, for example this one, and I'm gonna select this one, for example. Okay, and you can see my background is just changed. Okay, and remember that you can also use GIFs for your campaign. You're gonna be able to switch the GIFs campaign, and all you need to do is put the keywords to this box. I want to put my dogs keywords, and as you see, there are a lot of GIFs from my screen, and all you need to do is pick up the best one for you. For example, this one. Okay, and this is your welcome screen. You can also hit this button to preview your welcome screen, which look like this. Okay, and remember that I also set up a lot of demo campaigns from my article review. So all you need to do is go to my website and scroll down to this section, and this is my example of my campaign for every objectives from my video review today. Yeah, that means I show you of four objectives according by four campaigns from my article review today, including social sharing, call to action, opt-in, and review. Okay, okay, and I'm gonna close it and continue my demo video. I'm gonna come back slides, and the next one you have to do is customize the end screen. For end screen, you do the same by changing the title. For example, end screen title demo for text, end screen demo text. Okay, as you can see, I selected the objective social sharing at the beginning, so you can see at the end of your quiz, you can see there are three social sharing buttons that are available on your campaign, which incentivize your audiences to share your campaign, to share your quizzes to social media like Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. And this is an easy way for you to increase the interaction for your social media accounts, increase social followers for your social media accounts, which is very amazing. And you can also move on the media tab, and you can also change the campaign picture. For example, I'm going to use this, and you see it just available on my screen. And you're going to be able to switch to the setting tab, and right here you can customize the text style. For example, title style, you're going to be able to change the title color from the color picker, which look like this. Change the title size, change the title font, description style. You can change the description color, description size, description font, and for button style, you're gonna be able to change the button color, for primary success, info, warning, and danger, and you're gonna be able to change the button size, button font. Okay, and you're gonna be able to hit button to remove quiz. Okay, okay, I'm gonna move on my campaign, and right here is the main section from your campaign. You can add new questions to your quiz. Okay, and you have two options right here, including multiple choice and picture choice. Okay, and I prefer using a multiple choice for my campaign. That's so I'm gonna select it. And this is my first question, and you can put your questions right here. Question number one. Enter question number one. Description. Okay, I just use some demo text from my video review today to save your time. You can use some specific questions for your campaign. Okay, and right here you're gonna be able to change the edit picture, move on the media, change the picture, which look like this. Okay, and now remember you can change the picture by moving the images and use the static images for your campaign. Okay, and now I'm gonna create my answer. For example, answers number one. Okay, and answer number two, and answer number three. Okay, and remember that you are going to be able to add multiple or unlimited answers to your campaign, but I highly recommend you to add a few questions to your campaign to avoid making your audiences get distracted. Okay, because your final objective is social sharing. Okay, okay, and I'm gonna move on to the next question, and I want to hit add new question, and continue with this button. Okay, question number two, and question number two description, and I'm gonna change the media. For example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, and add new answer. Answer number one, answers number two, and answers number three. Okay, and okay, it's just done. Okay, and right now I'm gonna hit the publish button to publish my campaign. And remember that you can come back your slides tab, and then you're gonna be able to add multiple questions to your campaign, add a lengthy questions to your campaign. But I highly recommend you to just add few questions to avoid making your audiences get distracted. Okay, and now I'm gonna publish this, and this is my campaign. Okay, demo title for welcome screen, and this is my campaign picture. Demo button. This is the first question. Question one, I want to select this one, and this is my question number two, and answer number two. Okay, and it's the end screen, and you have three social sharing button at the end of your end screen, which look like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you another one, the example from my video review. Okay, you can come back my article review. Okay, I just show you now. Okay, it's here. Okay, this is my just another campaign from my video review. Okay, do you manage your financial transaction by account, software, or by yourself? And I want to please check some question below to themselves, and I'm going to select this one, and you can see you are all done. Share screen to your social media to get your results. Okay, and with following three social sharing buttons from my end screen. Okay, and you can do the same. Okay, and inside the story, you get your social sharing or any other your campaign just available on your dashboard, which look like this. From this campaign, you can hit button to edit your campaign, hit button to preview your campaign, or hit button to share your quiz in social media, including Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and all you need to do is just copy this link and share to anywhere on the social media if you want. And this is the embed code in your website. All you need to do is just copy this embedded code and embed your campaign to your WordPress website or your landing page. Okay, and also you can hit the button to check the stats. Here is the statistics from my campaign, including quiz name, target, visits, returning. Okay. Okay, and for with the other objectives like call to action, opt-in, or review, you can do the same by just select any objectives that you want for your campaign, and then set up your welcome screen, customize your title, customize your background, customize your campaign picture, customize your questions, customize your end screen, and all you have to do next is just share your campaign link to your audiences, and then you can get your final objective. Okay, for call to actions, opt-in form, and review, I'm going to show you some real examples from my article review. For example, call to actions, you can going to be able to see that with the welcome screen and demo button. Okay, and this is the end screen with the call to action at the end of my end screen, which look like this. And when your audience is answer all the questions and come to with this end screen pages, and they can hit the button to go to the website you set up from your campaign, which look like this. I just set up my galleryview.com link from my call to action campaign, and remember that you can set up any types of links you want from your campaign. For example, affiliate marketing link, CPA link, blog post link, YouTube link, Vimeo link, Dailymotion link, or whatever you want. Okay, and the next one I will show you is opt-in form. Yeah, this is my another campaign. I'm gonna hit demo button, this one, and this one too. And you can see this is my end screen with the opt-in form, which look like this. And you can leave a text, leave a description right here, like please enter your emails and enter your names to get your results from the quiz. Yeah, this is the way you can incentivize your audiences to enter their emails and names into your opt-in form. Okay, and all you need to do is just set up this campaign, and then you can collect the email list to your Outreachr system. That means with the Outreachr software, it allows you to set up it allows you to integrate some popular autoresponder system like Active Campaign, Ariba, respond to your software, to your dashboard, and then you want to be able to collect the list on autopilot, on automatically. Okay, and the next one is review. This one is to incentivize your audiences to leave a review for your quiz, for your products or service or whatever you want. First, I want it demo button. I'll move on to the next question. Okay, and you can see this is my end screen page, and with the review box like this. And when your audiences answers all the questions and visits the final page, they're gonna be able to write a review and hit the button to finish the quiz. Okay, and this is exactly where you can use to get a reviews, authentic reviews for your products, for your services, for whatever you want when you set up the campaign. Okay. Okay, I just show you the sorry survey and quiz as my earlier explanation. Sorry survey and quiz are so similar, so I just show you sorry from my video review today. I'm going to move on to score. Okay, and score is just a little bit similar to the story survey or quiz. It also has for objectives. Depending on your final purposes, you can select social sharing, call to action, opt-in, and review. And it is very similar because all of the objectives are very similar at the end of the final page. Yeah, like it has some social buttons on the end screen, or it has a call to action on the end screen, or it has the opt-in form in the end screen, or it has a review box on the end screen. Okay, and most different, the most differences from this module is it allows your user to get score from the questions. For example, social sharing. Okay, test number 3, and wanna hit next, and you wanna be able to redirect it to the new interface that is very similar to previous campaign. And also you have to do right here is just customize your welcome screen, which look like this. Okay, and for add new question, you also have two choices, multiple choice or picture choice, and I continue selecting this one. And the difference right here is that you can set up the your answers, answer correct or incorrect. Okay, for example, answers number 1, and you're gonna move on to answer number 2, and answer number 3, and you can set up any answer correct if you want. For example, this one, you can move on to question number 2 and answer number 1, answer number 2, and answer number 3. Okay, and I'm going to set up this correct, and okay, end screen. Yeah, and you're going to be able to add new score like this. Okay, and all you need to do right here is enter a score or enter a result corresponding to this score. Okay, and you can add multiple scores to your end screen page. Enter a score and enter a result corresponding to this score. Okay, and right here you can add multiple scores to your end screen page, add multiple questions to your campaign and set up any answers correct if you want. And for the welcome screen, you can do the same, like very similar to the other modules. Okay, and I'm going to show you the real demo campaign from the score. I'm going to hit this one, and this is my score campaign. And you can see it's very similar to a previous module with the welcome screen, text, image, background, and label button. Okay, and I'm going to hit this one, and I'm going to hit this one. Okay, and you can see you score 0%. That means I don't answer I don't answer right anything. Okay. Okay, I want to move on to the next module, that is personality. Personalities, that is a module, array module that allows you to make the personality test. That means all you need to do is create new campaign, and you also have 4 objectives, including social sharing, call to action, opt-in, and review. You can select any objectives you want. For example, sharing test number 5, and go hit next button. And right here you have the same similar interface to some previous module, and the little differences right here is you can add outcome for your campaign. For example, you can add new outcome for the ABC. Okay, and you can set up your outcome right here. Okay, and this module is suitable for those people who want to do personality tests, and you can set up multiple outcomes for multiple characteristics from the campaign. Okay, and this is a way you can test the characteristic of your audiences, and then you can set up multiple outcomes and set up multiple answers for multiple characteristics. Okay. Okay, the next one, the final one I want to show you is gallery. Gallery is a module that just allows you to set up the campaign without questions. All you need to do is just select a social sharing, call to action, opt-in, or review, and that's number 7. Okay, inside the gallery, you can see you don't have the answers box inside your campaign. It's just where you can add the picture, add the text, and then you can make the gallery text, gallery of images from your campaign. Yeah, and the module is very similar to the previous ones. You can customize the welcome screen, add a new question. Yeah, you can see the new question right here, and it doesn't have the answers box right here. It just have the title, description, and campaign question picture. And yeah, that means you just show your audience is a gallery of pictures, gallery of text, or whatever like that. And it doesn't have the answering box right here. And you're going to be able to move on the media tab and change the background, change the picture, change the GIF, even GIF if you want. Okay, you can change everything you want right here. Set up the campaign picture. Okay, setting, you can change the customize the title style, description style, button style. Okay. Okay, I just showed you something about this software. I'm going to move on the settings where you can okay, integrations. This is where you can integrate some popular apps to your dashboard, including analytics, Google Analytics. You can set up the Google Analytics to your quizzes pages to measure the traffic to your page. Okay, and you can also set up the Facebook pixel inside your quizzes page to Now, this means you can set up this one to do some retargeting campaign in the future, or you can view the lookalike audiences for future use. For mailing apps, you can set up integrate GarageBand, Aweber, Active Campaign, Sandland, Market Hero, MailChimp, ConvertKit, general list. That means you can collect lists through your autoresponder system on autopilot. Okay, and for tools, domain mapping, you have to upgrade to enjoy this feature. Yeah, as you can see from my article review, the domain from your front end is https app.outreachr.io with your number ID of the campaign. Inside the app integrations, if you want to use your custom domain, you have to upgrade to the upsell, and then you have your own domain using this switch. Okay. I just showed you how this works in basically, and if you still don't understand about this software, you can watch my demo video again. I think basically this software is good. It allows you to make your business viral on social media, and you can also build lists easily with this software. You can do affiliate marketing, CPA marketing with this software too, or you can do any marketing campaign you want with this software. Generally, this software works smoothly for me, no drama. By checking some examples I provide below, you can see that. I highly recommend you to buy this software today. And here is the pros from this software. Easy to use, nothing complicated at all. A good tool to build lists, a good tool to grow your social media followers, as well as to do affiliate marketing and CPA marketing too. The software works well, and here is cons. It could be perfect if they allows you to use your custom domain in front end. Currently, they use the default domain from the Outreachr, and you need to upgrade to the upsell for this feature. Okay, and the next one I'm going to show you is upsell. Outreachr has one front end and three upsells. For the front end, you get the Outreachr license or commercial rights, and you have to pay from $37 to $47. Upsell number one, you get the Outreachr Template Club. You get Premium Template Club, and you have to pay $37 monthly. And upsell number two, you got agency marketing kit, agency marketing consultant marketing toolkit, include the full website, complete marketing tools, and you have to pay $67 for this one. Full blog database, the Riven website comes with the SEO optimized, integrated social media, fully mobile responsive, full design agency website, squeezy page, 7 promotional emails, promo banners, generate promo video for your agency, PowerPoint presentation for promoting the dog business. Option number 3, you got Outreachr reseller license, Outreachr reseller packages, Gold and Platinum, and you have to pay from $167 to $197, and it allows you to resell Outreachr license for 100% profits. The reseller gives you the ability to sell the platform and pocket 100% of the money. Most importantly, they will do 100% of the setup for you. All you need to do is just grab the materials from them and sell to your audiences and get 100% of your profits. Okay. I just showed you everything about this software today. Don't forget to pick up the software Outreachr through my website today, and don't forget to send your receipt to my email right here, and remember to check my ID at the end of the checkout page. And here are my bonuses. You can go to my website and check my bonuses again. All you need to do is click the link inside my video description down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit me or leave a comment at my video below, or leave a comment at my article review. I'm super excited to help you out. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video review.